Links and association concepts. So, in our last session, we have discussed what is an operation and what is the method, how to represent operations and methods, and we have an idea about what is an object and what is a class, how to represent the class diagram. So, all these concepts we have discussed so far. Now we shall move on to a new concept, that is the links and association concepts. What is a link? What is an association? What does it describe? So let us see now. A link is a physical or conceptual connection among objects. Example, Joe Smith works for Simplex Company. Then an association is a description of a group of links with common structure and common semantics. Example, a person works for a company. So observe here, your example says that Joe Smith works for Simplex Company, and here a person works for a company. Okay. Now let's see what is a link and what is an association. A link is a physical or conceptual connection among objects. So, what does it mean? Here, you can observe that in the example, Joe Smith works for Simplex Company. So, here, works for is a link. Works for is a link which is connecting Joe Smith and Simplex Company. Means link establishes some connection. It is establishing some relation with two objects. So Joe Smith is an object, Simplex Company is an object, and works for is establishing a connection between these two objects. It is establishing a relation between Joe Smith and Simplex Company. So Joe Smith is a person who works for a company, that is a Simplex Company. Joe Smith works for Simplex Company. So your relation is works for. Your link is it is saying that Joe Smith works for Simplex Company. So it is establishing a relation, a physical or the conceptual connection. So it is connecting the two objects. That is Joe Smith and Simplex Company. These two objects are connected by a link, works for. And then moving on to an association. Then what is an association? A link. We say that before going to an association, we say that a link is an instance of an association. So I repeat, a link is an instance of an association. Then what is an association? Association is a description of a group of links. Association is a description of a group of links with common structure and common semantics. It means, for example, you can consider here a person works for a company. Here, an association it is describing a class person. Here, association is describing a class person. Class person contains one or more individual names. Here in this, compare the examples. In link, example says that it is mentioning an individual person name. It is Joe Smith. It is the name of a person. Whereas company name is Simplex Company. Okay. So here a person is a, it is a class. It is a class. Whereas Joe Smith is an object. Here, class is a person is a class. Whereas company, it is a class. In the sense, a person class may contains one or more individual names in it. So it is not taking any individual object. Instead, a class is described over here. So it is said that association is a description of a group of links with common structure and common semantics. So an association describes a set of potential links in the same way as like a class describes a set of potential objects. So now we got an idea about what is a link and what is an association. Observe in this diagram. So it shows, this figure shows many to many association. It is a model for a financial application. So we shall discuss in our later classes what is many-to-many association. For time being, it is an association. So class diagram represent the two classes, that is a person is a one class and company is the another class, whereas name are the attributes of the classes. So here person class and company class is having the relationship, that is these two classes are connected by a relation, that is own stock. And you can observe here asterisk are there. Asterisk is representing many to many associations. So it is telling a association. Okay, so star, that is asterisk represents the association. O stock is telling what kind of connection these two classes are having. So moving on to the object diagram. So here person they have taken, since it is a class diagram, they have taken a class person. Thus coming to an individual objects, so person names are mentioned over there. So John, Mary, Sue, Alice, Jeff. So these are the person names. So it is an object of the class person. So it is an object diagram, and these objects are connected to the company object, and that is GE company object and IBM company object. So there is an link, there is an association between these objects. So this diagram tells you the association between the objects. This diagram tells you the association between the classes. So links and association concepts is clear for now. A link is nothing but it is a physical or conceptual connection among the objects. An association is nothing but it is a description of a group of links with common structure and common semantics. Example for link is Joe Smith works for Simplex Company. Thus, Joe Smith is an object, Simplex Company is an object, and work for is a link that is establishing a connection between these two objects. Thus, coming to an association, the example tells that a person is a class, thus company, a company is a another class. So there exists a relation that is works for. So a person class and a company class is connected through the relation that is works for. So you can observe in this figure how the connection is established. In later classes, we shall discuss about multiplicities. Thank you.